Hello everyone. Today I am going to share with you a very simple recipe on how to cook eggplant, talong in Tagalog, or bengan here in Pakistan with chicken. This is a very simple recipe and for sure everyone can do it. So try it guys after this video, and it really tastes good, and you can eat it with chapati or rice, or you can just eat it alone. Here's the step-by-step process on how to cook this bengan and chicken. Please watch my video until the end. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and give your comments at the end of this video. Thank you. Here, it's ready. Alright, so this is the eggplant and chicken dish. We need 1 kilo of eggplant, 2 tomatoes, 2 medium sizes of onions, green chilies, half kilo of chicken, and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. So let us start by peeling the skin of the eggplant or talong or bengan in Urdu. Alright, so here in Karachi, actually guys, here in Karachi, you really need to remove the skin of the bengan or talong because it tastes bitter, and then cut it into your desired size or shape. Then soak it in a bowl of water with salt, and let us start cutting the onions and tomatoes in your desired shape and sizes as well, and make the pot hot with the oil. And let us start the step-by-step process of cooking the bengan with chicken. This recipe is actually common here in Pakistan and India. This is one of nice or a good taste of bengan and chicken recipe or dish here in Pakistan. Although they have so many ways of cooking eggplant, and they are mostly nice or good in taste. So let us add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And actually, basically, in most of the houses or household here in Pakistan, we use a lot of spices. But in our home alone, we are just using the basic ones. The basic one. So let us cook the chicken, and once it's cooked, and you can see that the oil is already separating from the meat, you can add the eggplant as well. But don't overmix it, just let it be like that, and then cover it and cook it in a medium fire in 15 minutes. Then check it, and then once it's like this, or the oil is also separating from the eggplant and the meat, you can add 4 glasses of water. Then cover it again and cook it in a low fire in 1 hour. So after 1 hour, you can check and you can see that it will be just like this. See, it's now cooked. And when it's cooked, you can add or garnish with garam masala. Garam masala is actually made of black pepper and zira powder. So here it is, ready for eating. So let us eat. You can also garnish it with green chili and kenchay or coriander leaves. If you like this type of video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and give me your comments down below, and also click the notification bell for more videos to come. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day, everyone.